A common question I get asked about TikTok is how do you send messages or text people using the TikTok app? And let me show you, because there's a setting that needs to be turned on first. So let's go to the profile page on TikTok here and press the three lines on top. And let's go to privacy right here. And under privacy, if you go down, there's an option about messages. It says right here, direct messages. That's basically texting or sending messages on TikTok. And there's three different options. Now, if yours is set to no one and the other person has this to set to no one too, you can message each other, right? So when I had this to no one, I wasn't getting any messages. You could also set this to friends, so people that are following you could only send you messages, or you could send it to everyone, which has led to a lot of spam on my account when I set it to everyone. But make sure you choose friends or everyone here in order to be able to receive messages and send messages. Now to send messages, let me go back here. What you have to do is find the person you want to message. So I'll just use the Discover tab and search for someone. And let's say I want to message this person. Now, again, it depends on how they have their profile set. Okay, if they have it set to no one, even if you message them, they won't receive that message. But to message them, you either press the three dots up here and then choose send message. And this will open this message box and you could send a message like this. And then it says only friends can send message to each other. So it looks like they have the privacy setting that's just for friends. So I can't message this person that way. You could then try to follow them and then send them a message. Now that I followed them, you see I get this message icon. I could press this now. Let me try again. And then it says the same thing. Messages cannot be sent since the user isn't following you. So let me go ahead and follow now. And I just used this other phone here to follow that account. So now if both people are following each other and the setting is not set to everyone, if I press message and send that message, finally, it should send just like that. So you no longer get an error message and it says you can now chat. And you could use this to send all kinds of different messages and emojis and liked videos. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.